Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shadasheia G, and if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the bell to be notified when your girl upload new content. Also, don't forget to comment, like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So before I put anything on my face, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with a moisturizer. This is just a vitamin C serum. I'm just going to moisturize that all over my face. My skin gets very dry in the wintertime. Then I'm just going to move in with my eyebrows. I'm going to use my Becca primer just to lay my brows down. And then I'm just going to go in with my Shadasheia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony and go ahead and fill in my brows. To clean up my brows, I'll be using my Caridi concealer palette. I'll be going in with the lighter shade on the bottom of my brows, and on the top part of my brows, I'll be using the darker shade. And by the way, you guys, I love this concealer palette, especially if you do other people's foundation. It's not expensive and it's very well. The consistency of the concealer is very, very good. So I use my MAC paint pot to prime my eyelids, and then I went in with that red color. It's called You're Kidding, and I just put that all on my eye, well, the top of my eye, and then I went in the color Rusted. It's a little bit a lighter shade than red, and I just blended those two together. To cut my crease, I'm using a small pointer precision brush, and I'm using the color Cola, which is a blue shade, and the color Escape, which is a very dark shade. So let me just tell you about this palette and let you guys know how I felt about this palette. I feel like it's a great palette. It was $39, and for the price and for all the pigments you got, I feel like it was really bomb. As far as the consistency of the pigments, I feel like they're different, so I feel like it's up to the person that uses them. If you really know what you're doing with makeup, I feel like you can make all these colors work. So now I'm just going in and cutting my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm pretty much following my same simple steps that I use when I do any tutorial. So I'm just gonna let you guys pretty know. I'm gonna let you guys know pretty much what colors that I'm putting on my eyes instead of pretty much explaining the steps that I'm doing, because I have so many videos where I explain to you guys how I cut my crease and how I cut my crease with hooded eyes. I would definitely leave a little link up top that you can check out to see how I cut my crease with hooded eyes. But so yeah, I'm cutting the crease, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the colors that I chose to put on my crease. I'm gonna go in with B, which is that bright yellow shade, and let me just go ahead and tell you guys about this color. When I used this, at first I decided to like spray my brush so it could be wet, because I felt like it would just be really bomb to show. It would just show up a lot better. With the consistency of that pigment, I guess I shouldn't have, maybe the brush was too wet, I'm not sure, but it did become like patchy. So I just like packed a whole lot of eyeshadow on right there. Because I was kind of far away from the camera, you can't really see it well, but y'all, it was pretty patchy. At the end of this video I have a picture, and if you look kind of close, you can tell that it was kind of patchy. And then after this, I'm gonna go in with the color Social Blade, which is green. Like I said, the pigment shows very well. The colors are very vibrant, they're beautiful. It's just the consistency of all the pigments are so different. And he said that in his video, so he pretty much gave you guys the full details on the palette. But like I said, overall I feel like the palette is worth it. After I went in with Social Blade, I went in with Playground. After Playground, I went back in with Cola and Escape, and I also added Spooky, which is the black shade, and I just blended it out in the little corner V of my eyes. And yeah, that's about it. Oh no, after I did both eyes, you guys will see, I didn't do it on camera. Apparently I wasn't filming when I did it, but what I did, I went in with some blue eyeliner, and I did, you see, I did a thick blue line, and on top of the blue liner I went in with Acapella, and I put that on top of the blue line. And I'm using Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX for my foundation. I primed my face with Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer, and I'm just shut up because I feel like I have a lot of videos showing you guys how I highlight and do all of that good stuff. So just watch and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. I'm using my NYX Love Contours All palette. This is a powder contour. This is also a good palette for all my MUAs that does other people makeup. It has a variety of different shades to contour with. I still use cream contour, but tonight I just decided to do a powder contour. I'm setting my highlight with my Shadasheia Buttercup. I went in my waterline with my LA Girl gel eyeliner in the color Blue Mermaid, and up under my eye I used the eyeshadow Cola and You're Kidding. And this is by far my favorite highlighter. It is by Becca, and it is in the color Chocolate geode. I love it. I think it just goes perfect with my skin complexion. For my lips, I just lined them with a brown pencil, and then I went in with Alyssa Ashley lip gloss by e.l.f. and it is called Nude Rose. And then I went on top with Becca Glow Gloss in the color Beach Nectar, and I put that on top. And you guys, those are the finished results. I hope you guys love this look. If you haven't bought the James Charles palette, I would definitely suggest getting it. I think it's a dope palette. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share it to your friends and your family. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.